Hi! In this tutorial, I will show you how to upgrade your BitFlow's free version to the Pro version subscription. Let's get started. Step 1. Install the BitFlow's free version. First, open your WordPress dashboard. Then navigate to the Plugins menu and click on the Add Plugin option. Now, search for the plugin named BitFlows. Once you find it, click the Install Now button and then activate the plugin. Now, the BitFlow's free version is successfully installed and activated on your WordPress site. Step 2. Create a flow. Now, go to the BitFlow's dashboard, then select Flows option and create a new flow. Now, click on the plus icon, then search for and select Contact Form Email as a trigger. But here, you will see that the contact form email is not available in the free version. To use this feature, you will need the BitFlow's Pro plan. Step 3. Upgrade to the BitFlow's Pro plan. To upgrade, go to the BitApps subscription dashboard and log into your BitApps account. Then navigate to the Purchase section and select your desired BitFlow's package. Here, you will see your subscription details, and you can also upgrade your plan at any time from this page. Click on the Download option to download the BitFlow's Pro version. Step 4. Install and activate the Pro version. Now return to your WordPress plugin page again. Then upload and install the BitFlow's Pro plugin. Then click on the Activate Plugin button. You will now see the BitFlow's Pro version listed on your plugins page. Step 5. Connect your license or subscription. Now open your BitFlow's license page. Then click on the Activate License button and complete the subscription connecting process to activate your license. Congratulations! You are now a Pro user of BitFlow's. Now you can also access all Pro features, updates, and support. Step 6. Use Pro features. Now, let's go back to the BitFlow's plugin dashboard and try to create a flow again. Search for and select Contact Form Email as a trigger. Now, click on the Listen Response button. Next, go to your form page. Let's submit a form. Click on Send Message. Form submitted successfully. You will see that the data has been successfully retrieved. That's how you can easily upgrade your BitFlow's free version to the Pro version. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.